Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Every time I look at the headlines, there's something going on with finances and scams. There are so many scams that are underway right now, and we are falling prey to many of those scams. Today, we're going to actually take a look at a video just to provide you with some insight on some of the scams that are out there and how to protect yourself from the FBI standpoint. Guys, take a look at this video. I'm going to provide you with my feedback, and I want to hear yours at the end. Let's get into it.
Now, with James Barnacle, a top FBI official who oversees teams looking into frauds and scams. He's here with a warning for Americans heading into the fall about scams and new ways scam artists are targeting people with a stunning amount of money lost every year. Mr. Barnacle, thank you so much for being here.
Yeah, thanks for having us.
And why do you feel it's important for you to be here and to warn Americans?
Well, we are seeing significant increases in frauds over the last 4 or 5 years. Last year, Americans reported losses to the FBI of $12.5 billion, and we've seen a significant increase so far this year.
And we cover a lot of things about scams here and all the time. And some of the victims, they reach them through text, they reach them through emails, but there is seeing more scammers who are showing up at people's homes and acting as if there's a person in authority.
Yes, so the two biggest schemes we're seeing right now are investment frauds, especially crypto related, and secondly is impersonation schemes or tech repair schemes. So people think that their computers or their bank accounts are compromised, and the fraudsters will tell the victim, withdraw cash, and we'll come to your house. A government official will come to your house, pick up your money, keep it in safekeeping. We see people across the country falling victim to this.
Just think about it. Here he's just telling us about just one or two of the massive number of schemes out there, or scams out there. If by chance you have someone that's telling you to submit any money or provide them with any type of money, if you know that your computer is not, or you know that they're asking you to do any type of Bitcoin or things of that nature, it's a scam. So guys, we're going to continue to listen, but if it doesn't sound right and they're asking you to provide them with any type of money, don't do it because it's a scam. Let's get back to it.
Especially our elderly.
And those are the two top scams now, impersonation and also crypto.
Crypto investment frauds primarily. So last year, Americans reported $5.6 billion in losses to cryptocurrency related schemes. About $3.8 billion of that was investment frauds in crypto. And we've seen about a 12% increase so far this year in those frauds.
And what are the top two things that people can do when they answer their phone or they open their door? You said part of it, just take a beat.
Yeah, take a beat. Relax. Don't be emotional when you're talking to people. The fraudsters want you to be emotional and make a quick decision and give money. So you should look at things with a healthy dose of skepticism. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is too good to be true.
Probably sounds too good to be true, probably put you on a lot of pressure at the same time.
Yeah, they want victims, fraudsters are trying to make people emotional, and when folks make an emotional decision, they often make a bad decision.
Well, we're happy you didn't take a beat to get here to tell us all about this.
Well, thanks for having us, and thanks to your viewers for listening about the fraud problem in the United States.
All right, James Barnacle, thank you so much.
You've seen the video. It's short, but definitely sweet and effective. Just a few things to add to what has been said here. We have to look after our elderly to ensure that they are fully aware of these type scams. If you are elderly or not, just make sure you're being a good steward of your own money and being your own protector, because as you see here, once you send cryptocurrency, that money leaves your hand, it is not going to be traced or replaced. So if they're asking you for crypto, for one, that's a red flag. Two, if you are being told that your computer or tampering with your computer and they're telling you to send them money for any reason, that's a no-go. In addition to that, make sure you make it a rule of thumb. If you know that you don't have a debt with someone, you shouldn't be sending them any money. If you know that you are looking to invest, then you should be going through the appropriate channels and making sure that the person that you're investing with is credentialed, and ask for several of their local investors or references so they can't give you some offshore person. Make sure that you are going to a legitimate office and you're meeting a legitimate person just to minimize your instances of being scammed. I hope that this has been helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.